Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. This one is going to be of the Redragon 60% keyboard. This will be my first mechanical keyboard what I'm actually going to test out and what I'm gonna use, and also my first one to review. I have unboxed other videos of other keyboards. You guys will see it in this side, that side, where I'll put a link of other videos where I unboxed keyboards like this and other keyboards. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looked like around the box and what I see from my side of the keyboard. So hopefully guys you enjoy this one, and yeah. so now that you saw around the box, it's not much what I can say about this because I don't know this brand, so I'm just gonna take it by all the good reviews what there was or is about this brand, Redragon. So yeah, this is a mechanical keyboard. At the back of it does show 40% keyboard. So as you guys can see, over there, it shows 40% keyboard. I'll just blow it up for you, the picture. And yeah, and at the back of it, it shows that, well, they say that it might look a little different, so I'm not sure when they say that. So it might be a different color, it might be the same color. Yeah, so it looks. I'm gonna open it, and let's get into the thing. Box did get a bit damaged, as you can see there, that line, the box got pressed in, but I'm hoping that it didn't get badly damaged. Also, there is a seal sticker from Redragon, that black Redragon sticker. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see. So this is gonna be my first mechanical keyboard for playing games and for typing and so on. Again, this kind of style might be for you, but it also might not be for you, because you might want to have the number pad, like some keyboards have. I'm just gonna flip up the thing. It's quite sticky, but yeah. So it's an unbox part tag what you just lift up. So I can't open it like that. I have to turn the box around. I'm gonna let you guys have a look. The first look over. So you can change the key with different types of keys. So if you maybe think it's too loud, then you can change it for others. There is a key grip. I'll link it what this item is, but this is a key grip and a key swap, so you can change out your keys if you need to. Some people say that this one is not so the best to use. You can use others, but yeah, this is the first one. There is extra keys, or switches, should I say, what you get with. I will take it out to see what it looks like. Let's see. This is basically just so that you can, if there is a issue with one of the keys, then you at least have a few. So this is the keys what you can swap out. if maybe one or two of it is like damaged, and then you might want to like change it out. So there's that. The cable, it's not braided. I wish it was braided cable, but the normal USB A. With a cover to type C. So this is on the angle level, and yeah, so the cable is on an angle. Some people don't like it that it's on the left hand side, if I'm right, and I find it the issue because it's kind of weird seeing a cable on the left hand side of a keyboard. Normally it's like straight in the middle or slight off center, but yeah. So keyboard is quite heavy though. Some people say that the keyboard is not heavy. So there's nothing else in the box. I think it's just like just some stickers maybe. No, it's just like some odd plastic what they give with what you can just keep with you. I thought it was like some stickers, but it's not. And then the keyboard. So it's not entirely the full keyboard like most keyboards are. Yeah, there is a little bit of weight to it. It is a plastic back. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks around all of these items, and then you guys can see how it looks on a much better angle and view. So I'm going to show you all the switches, the cable, and oh, you get also it looked like an instruction manual. Yeah, so this you get with and yeah, you also get like an app what you can use. So let me show you guys what it looks around all of this, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so you guys saw around the keyboard, you saw around the switches what comes with. This is important to keep in the box, so maybe this will be one of the boxes what you actually keep, because it keeping like the tools what comes with it, like to remove the different caps. There is online where you can get better ones to remove keycaps, so you don't damage the outer section of your keys, so it don't look scratched and so on. This entire keyboard is replaceable, so you can like remove keycaps or remove the keys, and you can also mod it or make it sound a little bit better. Maybe you don't like how it sounds so clacky, and yeah, there's many ways what you can do to make it sound a little more better for your convenience. Or if you want to, you can wait until the warranty falls away and then you can do all those things, which I would recommend, because the best thing to do is just to make sure that your keyboard is working perfectly fine and you're happy with it. And then if you want to mod it, change some stuff, maybe change the cable, because maybe you want a braided cable, look for a braided cable. Do little upgrades. Maybe you want to have like banders for your keep, your space bar, and you want to maybe have some mountains for the side keys. You can do a lot of changes to improve the keyboard, but from my first look on this, it does seems like it's a nice keyboard. This is my first mechanical keyboard what I'm going to be using, so I'll be using this to edit videos, to play games, to do various things, and yeah, you guys will see it in my equipment video file, where you guys can see what's all the different equipment I'm using, and some I'm not using, some I will be using, but again, like I said, this is removable caps. It's not so much space like some people say that there's a lot of space on this ends. I didn't see a lot. This is like a matte black, even though it looks like a gray, and it is backlit, so it has that rainbow effect, and you can change it to different colors. Maybe you just want a blue look, or you just want a red look. You can do it with this one. At the back there is like extend stuff for a better rise, or you can just place it like that, so it's on both sides. And there is like a rubber texture. This is plastic. Again, there is the type C, and on this side is the shift or the caps lock. I think this is a caps lock light to give you indication when is it on, which I should have just put it on the side, or maybe somewhere inside. Again, this is just a plastic. It's a bit rough on the edges, but that's okay. Also, if you do look at this brand or any mechanical keyboard, see if you can get it on a discount, because just in case you don't like it, you don't want to be spending a lot of money on a keyboard or any product. Look for discounts and save a little money. So also, again, if you're not sure about this keyboard, the keyboard what you're using now, or the keyboard what you used to use, see if you can find one what's the same. If you want to, you can get this style keyboard. I would say you can check on Amazon, on Takealot, on trusted stores where you can buy keyboards, or trusted stores in general, online stores, and maybe also your local stores will also have this. Look for the best deal what you can get, and then you can buy it and you can enjoy it also. But again, yeah, this is just how it looks. This is a full RGB color. So you can have blue, red, you can have waves of colors. You can have just one color, you can have multiple colors, and also with the app, you can also change certain things, like maybe if you want Z to just have green, and then maybe around Z that you want to have like maybe blue. That you can change in the software, but a lot of times people say that the apps don't really work from this stuff, so I'll just take the preset ones, but then again, that's up to you guys. This cable is quite long from how it looks. Good enough to go behind your PC and to your keyboard. So your keyboard on the side, so it gets plugged on the side. On the side where there's Type C, and this is a Type C port. It's an angle Type C cable, what you get, so it will be on the side. I'll probably take a few photos, but I'll show you guys here how it looks, and you guys will see. But you can place it either this way down or this way. Most of the time you will just place it down up. And yeah, there is also the keys cap removals which you get. That is, again, you can buy it on Amazon. I think Takealot also sell it, but there is a few places where it has good ones. And then there's basically the key switches. Again, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if this is lubed or lube switches though. It does sound a little bit plasticky. So what I'm gonna be doing, so I don't know if this is lube switches. Again, let me show you guys what it sounds like from a distance. You're just typing, I'm just randomly pressing all buttons. I'll bring it a little closer to the mic. Spacebar, keys, caps, shift, escape, then the random keys. Spacebar again. All the random keys. Enter. But enter sounds quite good. Shift. Secondary shift. Control. This is page up. Fn. Alt. Second Alt. Second Control. And Windows or Win key. Shift. Secondary shift. Caps. Tab. Escape. basically I was pressing all those buttons on this side, all the buttons on this side, so you guys know exactly what does it sound like. And yeah, so I tried all of those keys, the space bar, all of it, and I will maybe show you guys how the backlit look maybe after this video, and you guys can see I'll just do like a 3D rig of it, and you guys will see that. But I will just take it with my phone so you guys can see that. And yeah, okay guys, so I will show what well, you guys will see it now in the next few minutes, what does it look like when it's on, and then you guys will see that. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between like a normal size keyboard, what's a kind of an old keyboard, compared to this one. So this one is a massive keyboard. Would have pretty old, as you guys can see. I'm missing the cap there. So compared to, I'm gonna put it there, is a big difference compared to the two. So if I put it on this side, so if I drop it down, escape buttons on, so there's a whole row of buttons what I won't have or will have, because basically they take this all away, that all away, this arrow buttons they take it away, but then I place it differently, should I say, and then I take the number pad away, because only some people will be using it. So again, as you can see the difference from the two, and then that was like just a normal keyboard, just some random busy work gigabyte keyboard, which was a nice keyboard at the time. And then there's this, what do you guys know, the mini Rai keyboard, which I done an unboxing of. So just to give you guys a comparison on the two, I'm gonna put it, okay, it's a lot more thicker, and as you guys can see, so just to give you an indication on how big this keyboard is, and how small the keyboard is, if you don't know still, I mean, like, here's a PlayStation 5 controller, put it like this, and just a normal S10. Another comparison. Give you any indication on how big and how small this keyboard is. I forgot to do that in the beginning part, but well, the other part of the video, but yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what it looked like when it's on, and if it does go on, the first look, and then you guys will see how it looks with the RGB colors and so on, just plugged in to the laptop. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, there's two keyboards. The I keyboard, which I use a lot, which I really like, especially for when I'm watching like movies and so on like that. And yes, this is not a comparison which keyboard is better, which one is best to use. Different keyboards are used for different reasons and so on. So I'm gonna just plug this into a USB hub, and then I'm gonna just plug it in to, yeah, it's difficult doing this one hand. So as you can see, that looks quite cool though. Wow, this, I must say that having this plugged in to your laptop, so I'm plugging it in there. As you guys can see, there's the thing. I'm just plugging it into a USB hub. Seeing it in person is way better than on the video. If you guys can go to like a computer shop where they have RGB keyboards, have a look at it there. If there's not this one, have a look at it from another shop what has the keyboard. Again, if you're not sure, maybe a friend would have an RGB keyboard. And if I show you guys this keyboard looks, it's just a white keyboard backlit compared to the Redragon keyboard. It looks really nice though, a lot more better than on camera, but yeah, I'm happy with it. And yeah, I know that there is different colors as you guys saw when it started up, but it is so cool. I'm very happy with how it looks though. It makes, okay, my table is quite small what I'm working with, so that's why I wanted this one. But wow, this does look really nice though. As you guys can see, this one is on RGB. And you guys know how does it sound, so yeah. And there the keyboard went off. So if I just, okay guys, so you guys saw how this look when it's on. Again, this is all the items there is. And yeah, it's like a really nice keyboard. I really like it. I was looking forward to have like not too expensive keyboard. I know there is really expensive keyboards what's out there, but I wanted a decent keyboard where I can just play games. It's not gonna take too much space on the table. I will probably mod this keyboard, and I'll probably show you guys that, but it won't be in this video. This is basically just an unboxing and what you'll get like when you just buy it brand new out of the box, from the different places where you can buy it, like Amazon, Takealot, and all those places what's trusted to buy items. And if you don't like it, you can always send it back, but also you have to send it back in the time period of what the shop or the online store tell you. Also make sure that you pick the keyboard what you want to use, because you are going to use it for a long time. And also if you want to change out certain things like keys, make sure that the keyboard can do that. A lot of people had like no issues with mechanical keyboards, but there was the times where people had issues with mechanical keyboards. But again, like I'll be using this on a light duty use, so that's just playing games, doing some editing. It's not like heavy duty. But yeah, again, thanks for watching, subscribing, and again, for those who recently subscribed, liked, hit the bell button, it does mean a lot to me. And also, if you guys do want to go above and beyond, there is a PayPal link what you guys can donate $3, $6, whatever you guys want to donate towards the channel. And I will appreciate that a lot. Again, thank you for subscribing, liking, hitting the bell button, and sharing my videos. And let me know in the comments, are you buying you one, or are you waiting for one like this, or are you thinking about buying one like this? And what's your thoughts on it if you have one? And how long do you have it? Do you have it like when it just released from Redragon? Did you get it maybe as a gift? What was it? And what made this keyboard stand out for you? And yeah, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks again for watching, subscribing, liking, and hitting the bell button. It really means a lot to me. Also, if you do go above and beyond, there is a PayPal link that says buy me a coffee or a game. And yeah, thank you again. And don't let anyone bring you down. Always try and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, guys.